My people, make we reason one question. Who talk say fashion start from abroad? You see all those catwalks, flashy red carpet, magazine covers where they trend today, make them clear road. African fashion done dey shout style since time wey no be today. Our cloth no dey just fine, e dey talk, e dey sing. E fit tell who you be, where you from, whether you happy or you dey mourn. From village square to global stage, African fashion don waka far. So today, we go open the wrapper of history, enter deep, because this style wey we dey wear, e carry spirit. Long before camera snap fashion, long before Instagram show off outfits, African people don dey use cloth pass ordinary cover body. For Yoruba land, Aso Oke na sacred. No be every tailor dey touch am. You wear am for wedding, naming, chieftaincy, even burial. E dey loud. This person matter. For Ghana, Ashanti people carry Kente like royal badge. The color wey you choose no be joke. Red fit mean sacrifice, green na growth, black na ancestral power. And then they weave am with hand, not machine. South Africa own, Zulu regalia dey command presence, animal skin, beads, spear. Then cloth dey shout, I be warrior, I be king's son. You see Sudan, ancient Nubia? Then they rock linen with gold since time of pyramids. Cloth no just dey wrap body, e dey preach identity. Then come the wahala time, colonial era. White man enter Africa with Bible for one hand, mirror for the other, and full wardrobe of suits wey no fit the weather. Dem say our wrapper no decent. Dem ban cloth for school, then they force suit and tie for court, church, even government office. You dey imagine say person wey dey use goat skin walk bush before, now dey sweat under top hat. But Africans no gree. Na there fashion rebellion start small small. For Lagos, women go tie wrapper under English blouse. For Accra, men go wear shirt and use kente scarf, hold waist. E be like say we dey talk, I go wear your cloth, but I still be me. Na so native dey fight back, silently. You see Ankara, that bold pattern cloth wey dey shine everywhere? Dem say na Dutch people create am, but na Africans give am soul. We hijack am, remix am. Today, e no even resemble Holland anything again. We dey rock am for naming, party, protest, even burial. Asobi culture enter. We no just dey wear cloth, we dey wear solidarity. 10 women fit show up with same wrapper like army. E mean we dey one voice. You fit remember the Aba women riot of 1929? Those Igbo market women no just vex with mouth. Dem tie strong wrapper, march barefoot, and face colonial officers. Cloth don turn protest. Even Fela Kuti, when he dey blow sax, na full African regalia he dey rock. Him clothes talk pass him lyrics, na rebellion in colors. You think say fashion go end for village and protest? Lie. Afrobeats artists carry African style go global. Whiskey dey wear agbada for Grammy. Tems rock gele for Oscars. Burna Boy dress like warrior for BET. Fashion don turn sound. When you hear talking drum, you go see Ankara. When you watch music video, you go feel Naija color. Even ordinary slippers and kaftan don become red carpet classic. Global fashion houses now dey beg African designers for collabo. Dem wan borrow our style because dem no fit create am. From streetwear to luxury brand, Africa don enter front seats. We no go fit talk fashion without salute the real people wey dey cut, sew and create magic. Kenneth Isaac dey blend Aso Oke with Western cuts. E shock Paris runway. Tebe Magugu from South Africa dey use fashion tell story of women and resistance. Lisa Folawiyo dey add sparkle, give Ankara till e enter Vogue. Orange culture, Iman Aisi, Ladumango Kolo, all of them dey push boundary. Dem dey show say African fashion no be costume, na future. So my people, next time wey you dey tie wrapper or rock agbada, just know say you dey wear history, you dey wear resistance, you dey carry culture, royalty and voice for your skin. African fashion no be trend, na identity, na pride, na legacy. And for those wey dey watch from abroad, make them understand say this clothes wey dem dey copy, e no start for boutique, e start from home. If this story touch you, make you no dull. Smash that like button, drop your comments, and subscribe sharp to Pidgin History Africa. Now here we dey turn history into vibe and tradition into tori. We go yarn again for the next one. Peace out.